First things first, press Ctrl plus J. This instantly duplicates your background layer, giving us a safety net so the original pixels stay untouched. Think of it as working on a glass pane laid over your photo. Now head over to the toolbar and grab the spot healing brush. With just a gentle click on each breakout, Photoshop samples the surrounding tones and textures and blends them seamlessly. It's almost like waving a tiny digital magic wand. In a blink, those pesky pimples vanish while pores and natural grain remain intact. Next, let's polish the overall skin texture. Float up to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Dial in a radius that softens the skin just enough to smooth blotchiness, usually somewhere depending on your resolution. Don't panic if your entire canvas looks like it was shot through frosted glass. This blur is only a base that will reveal selectively. Time to finesse. Click the Add Layer Mask button at the foot of the Layers panel. A white thumbnail appears, meaning the blur is currently visible everywhere. Press Ctrl plus I to invert that mask to black. Suddenly, the blur disappears, hidden but ready to be brushed on exactly where we need it. Select the brush tool, load it with a soft round tip, and make sure white is your foreground color. Now paint gently over cheeks, forehead, and chin, building up smoothness with each pass while steering clear of eyes, lips, and hair. The beauty of this approach is control. You decide how much softness each area receives, preserving natural highlights, freckles, and character. If you found this helpful, hit that like button to support the channel. Share it with your friends who love Photoshop, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing Photoshop tutorials every week. Click the bell icon so you never miss an update.